Hi everyone, my name is Ogundele Fatai. I'm here to present my project on Wiki. This is an online encyclopedia which has the following features. The first one, entry page. So to use the entry page, we have to go to this URL bar, type wiki slash um press title like HTML. So once we hit enter, it will give us the content of that HTML. So HTML is now our title. So we have the page for HTML. So what if we just type something that does not exist, like hover? So automatically it will give us page not found because it's not on the list. But instead of typing /wiki every time, you can as well just type that HTML again. Route it will automatically route to wiki/html. So let's go to the next one, index, the home page. On the home page, we have the list of all items on this website, like CSS, Django, and so on. So once we click on any of these items, it will automatically take us to the content of the page. The next one is the search. How do we use the search bar? On the search bar, suppose we search for Python, it will take us to the page that has uh, to the content of Python. But what if you are looking, just type a substring like anything that has h, so it will go to a search result for h. So HTML has h, Python too has h. So once we click on any of it, it will load the content of the page for us. You can see Python page, use the content. So what if we search for something that doesn't exist, like love? So automatically it will tell us that the page was not found, page not found. Then the fourth one, new page. How do we use the new page? To create a new page, you click on create new page, it will take us to a page whereby we can input the sample in the title bar, sample. Then the next one, the content has to be written in Markdown language. So let's type heading 1 in Markdown language, heading 1, and add it to the page. So submit. Once we hit on submit, it will save and give us the content, heading 1. So now we have a new content, a new page called sample. So on this, what if we are trying to create a page that is already in existence, like HTML? This HTML is already in existence. So let's type anything and try to save, submit. It will tell us that the page already exists. Return to HTML to edit it. So if we are trying to create something that is already in existence, it will not save. So it will help. So now this brings us to another topic, the fifth one, which is edit page. How do we edit page? Let's go back to the list and edit the sample. On this sample page, let's try and edit it so as to add more content. So now if you notice, you see that the text area is preloaded with content of the page. So let's add new item like bold, star. So we are trying to bold this item. So once we press submit, it will load and give us the entry page of the content that we are trying to edit. As you can see, bold is now there. So the next one is the random page. Once we click on random page, it will automatically generate a random page of the items on the list for us, like the Django, Python, and so on, every item on the list. So the next one is Markdown. So if you notice our create new page and edit page, everything is preloaded with a Markdown language, as in we have to write the text area, the content in Markdown language, and by the time we submit it or save it, it will automatically generate an HTML result for us. Thank you so much for watching.